Hi traders, it's Tomek here from NIKKEI Trading Academy and welcome in my weekly indices forecast. So indices are quite volatile recently and we have very nice good looking charts to trade those, especially DAX and NASDAQ. Of course, we will check other. I trade personally with the combination of Renko chart. So here I will show you some areas where I took some trades on DAX, and also I try to post them on my Facebook page so you can see more details. But before I will go into the charts. I would like to invite you to visit my website dedicated to my one-on-one mentorship program. Link you will find below this video in the description. And the reason why I decided to run this program is that I strongly believe that still, even if people are sharing results on the YouTube, they are giving very nice videos about the strategies, how can they make money with those strategies. Still, a lot of people are struggling because they don't understand where exactly is issue in trading. And the main reason why I did this is that I strongly believe that the most important part is the mindset part in terms to be long-term successful in trading. So my program focus on three major parts, yes, like technical, planning, and mindset, but I pay a lot of attention here. This is what I want to teach you to understand how to work with your emotions, how to find them, how to see your limiting beliefs, because whatever strategy you take, you still execute this with your beliefs, with your emotions, etc. So it really doesn't matter, to be honest, about the strategy. It's all about the mindset. So that's why, because I have a technique which I personally use in my life and also share others, that's why I developed this program to focus on those three major parts. Okay, so if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Just fill up this form here. We will have like a first chat. It's completely for free, so don't hesitate if you have any questions. Okay, so now let's go to our charts, and the first is DAX. And like I said, I will show you areas where I was looking for entries. You see our lines from last time, from my last analysis. We said about potential breakout. This breakout happened, so we could look for short scenario for the swing trading here. It was entry here. It was not very nice, good looking 1 to 3. It was like a range. But if you decide to enter here, this is your entry, this is your stop loss. Okay, this is our classic approach. Stop loss would be around 200 points, and you see that almost two targets would be hit definitely first. Now you wait, yes, because this is swing trading, so we need to wait for price to develop another retracements and possible continuation. So about trades which I took, here was one around this zone where price didn't break and was rejecting 36 EMA. We had this 4-hour chart short 1 to 3. So idea was to take the trade here. It was like a bounce trading around the trend line. There was setting on the M80 Renkos, and there was good trade to target previous bottom because this was area of the support. Then next day, when the price broke this area, we had also opportunities to look for some long scenarios here. Okay, long scenarios here are very aggressive long scenarios to target 36 and the 4-hour chart trend line, like we had. You see retest here, didn't work out those trades. So then I was looking to sell here to target previous bottom, and as you can see, price went and reached those bottoms. Then I didn't look for any trades anymore because for me this was range, but we also had some scalping opportunities here to just grab this small move, and this whole down move happened during the night, so it was it was impossible to take it during my trading day. Yes, but you see, if I started to see that price is in the range, I'm not interested anymore to take these trades. I will wait for possible breakouts. Okay, so let's go right now to uh, weekly chart. Yes, first let's go to weekly chart. And the weekly chart, you see, is retracing. Right now it's retesting 12 EMA. So this will be also This might be also a situation that price will just spike here and will try to go up, but weekly candle is strong, so maybe we'll get retracement to the 36 EMA of the weekly chart together with the support, or even lower to this trend line. So we will see. Sometimes price you see like to spike around 200 EMA before it continues to go down. So we will see. This trade which I explained you about, the 4-hour chart, was good trade. Okay, so we had this trend line breakout. So this is next area of the support. Currently we are below the 36 EMA, so I'm interested to sell as long as this trend line is holding. Okay, so now we will be looking for retracements, try to sell, target those areas here. And if we go to lower time frames, now I explained you already about this entry, yes, here. And now we have this trend line. Let me adjust this on the 4-hour chart here. And we will, as long as this trend line is holding, yes, you wait for the retracement, the 36, you look to sell this pair. Whenever price breaks this, then you can, and then if you are stopped out with this short scenario which I mentioned here, you look for possible buy scenarios again, and you again try to target this resistance zone. Also, if we go to 1-hour chart, 1-hour chart you see is making steep short 1 to 3. It even gave us a signal at the end of the session on Friday, but it's Friday DAX, it's not good. But if we get continuation, then of course intraday trading, short scenarios, first area of the previous bottom, and then if price breaks this, you have your long-term targets. Okay, so this is DAX. NASDAQ, you see that last time we said about the breakout of this area, and this happened. Yes, we had, you see this, there was first entry here, we had this break, then retracement, entry, stop loss, okay, and then price went down, and I took this trade here on the NASDAQ on Friday, but it was on the classic charts, and entry was here with the pending order, stop loss was above. My first target was here, and the second target was here. And because it was Friday, it was afternoon Friday, so I closed my second target around this area because it was on the previous bottom. I didn't want to wait anymore, so I took a little bit my second target faster. It would hit my second target anyway, but of course we don't know when we trade, so I took 2 targets to have profitable trade before the weekend. And now I will be waiting for my next target. Of course, this was also, here was area to look for intraday trading. Here also we had opportunities, and also on Friday here. So you see it was very nice even here, but of course this was range. Yes, this was range. We said about range breakouts. Yes, but those are areas where you are trying to look for your entries, and of course you see how nicely this chart looks. So let's go to higher time frames to see what currently we have. And you see NASDAQ is making this huge weekly candle, so it's retracing. Area of the retracement is of course 36 EMA trend line, support zone. Yes, and then we will see if price decide to react here and continue to go up to maybe to reach as previous top, or will break and then maybe will continue to drop. We will see. It's still very strongly looking chart on the weekly. However, you see this weekly, this one candle of the weekly chart closed below all those white ones. So you see momentum is there. So what we want to get is just a retracement and sells. Yes. So I really would wait for price to retrace to this area. Even here we have this area of the support, but for me this is stronger one. Yes, and together with the 36 EMA, this is my goal. So it's very easy right now. What we want to do on NASDAQ is, and this is my goal, yes, for this 1-hour chart trade, wait for the retracement, look to sell it. If I go to 1-hour chart right now, also day trading combinations only, wait for the retracement, look to sell it. Okay, so this is very easy. This is chart which is perfect to trade. US 30, we said last time about, you see, retracement. This retracement happened, price reacted and went down. I personally don't trade US 30, it's too volatile for me. But it happened, as you can see, we had this, okay. Breakout of that support zone, next support zone. So basically price reach, I didn't change the lines from last time. So you see price broke it and start to range around this, then retested another area of the support and now went up. Yeah, so also was some opportunity here. And if you go to higher time frames, let me just delete this. So you see this is a support zone where price retesting this, and this what you see previous top with the 36 CMA. Also here we see very strong move. This is area of the support, as you can see. Now price is spiking around this, so or we'll get just retracements and continuations. Yeah, so or lower time frame retracement continuations, or this will be reaction and price will try to move up again to retest this area of the resistance. So if we go to daily chart right now, daily chart of course is pointing down, so it's obvious retracement. Yes, as long as we are below the 36 CMA, I'm interested to sell in the of course short term perspective. Whenever price breaks 36, then I will be more interested to buy. So right now we look to sell this pair retest of the 36 continuation for our chart. It's still holding our EMA. Yes, this is a little bit not great chart, but if price starts to break the 36 EMA here, you can look for buy scenarios and target this area of the resistance together with the 36 EMA. So this is what we can do. If price of course breaks this early, it's not ready yet. Yes, it's we have this resistance, as you can see, we have this trend line, so it's not ready yet to break. But if price make this and stays above, then you can look for buy scenarios and target this. If price reject that area, yes, and will make this red candle here, then still short scenarios. The question is if price still has enough strength to continue to the previous bottom, because it might also create for us higher low and then maybe make this. But no, we don't know. This is what I see right now, and this is what we can do. So or you buy after breakout of this, or you sell after breakout of this. Nikkei, here price reached our target. I don't remember exactly where. I think accidentally delete the line, but you see those are the lines from last time, and price exactly reached our level. As you can see, this is our daily trend line with the daily support zone. So this is power of our top-down approach. Okay, so again, weekly chart, we see that here we have room to the 36. Next area of the support of the weekly is here, so it can go lower, trend line, support zone. If we go to daily chart, you see this is trend line only with the two touches, but it seems that price is reacting. We can remove this because there is also around we have also support zone. So what we need right now is to get retracement, yes, any retracement, maybe from this point to the 36 CMA short scenarios, or lower time frames. If we go now, it's still pointing down. So if the 36 holds, yes, if we get another short 1 to 3, we can look to sell it and target again previous bottom. Of course, aggressive approach. Here because this is late, only because this is late. Yes, that's why I say it's aggressive, because at some point price might do retrace. This might be also not possible continuation, but higher low, and then price will breaks and let's say do this. So if price, you can still sell it, yes, here, as long as we are below, it's not a problem. Whenever price breaks this trend line, then for me it's option for possible retracement on the 4-hour chart back to the 36 CMA. So then you can look for buy scenarios and target this area if you like, yes. And then if this is not broken, then we'll get what, 4-hour chart short 1 to 3. We will be looking again to sell this. If price breaks 36 EMA and will continue, then of course our target will be daily 36 CMA with the area of resistance, which is here, but it's a little bit too early to say yet. Okay, as long as this daily trend line is holding, yes, this for me it's still to sell. And the last one is Aussie 200. Last time you see that we said about potential breakout. Breakout happened. Price reached our target, even broke it and went lower. Did we have any opportunity here on the 1-hour chart? Unfortunately, we didn't have any setup. Maybe on the lower time frames, if we check, if you trade those, even here it was very tiny, small one, and also here to the 12, not easy to trade those setups. So basically there was volatility. Volatility was so strong that probably only on the 5 minute you would get entries. So let's go to higher time frames to see where we are right now. And as you can see, price is retesting currently 36 EMA. This is also area of a support zone. So you see all indices are right now in the retracement phase. And the question is if this is just small one retracement and still continuation, or we'll get those deeper retracements. We will see. No, definitely there is volatility. As you can see, we have this trend line on the daily time frame. So as long as this is holding, we can still look for intraday trading short scenarios. So now we also will be looking for what? For retracement, 36 short scenarios. Target previous bottom, of course, if it holds. If not, we will get maybe this line. Yes, and then if price, let's say, break this line, we can look for long scenarios and target this line. Okay, target this daily trend line. Whenever this is broken, again, buy scenarios. If price reach this line, won't break it, we can again continue to sell this pair. Okay, so guys, thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Wish you all great Sunday. And again, I would like to invite you to visit my website dedicated to my mentorship program. You can contact me just by filling this form and schedule your free call with me. Just don't hesitate if you have any questions, any doubts. Below you will find all details about my mentorship program, what I exactly offer with some prices. Also swing trading strategy, which is free, which I personally use for my trading, and also example of my trading plan with videos explanation when I give you more details about our learning process. And again, I will repeat myself probably, but this is very important for you, that I dedicate a lot of attention to mindset part, because this is what you want to learn the most from my mentorship program. It's not about trading, is not about the strategy, about the planning. Of course we must to do it, yes, but at some point 80% is here and 20% is here. Yes, so this is what you have to understand if you want to be long-term successful. Trading is not about the strategy itself. Strategy is of course necessary at the beginning when you learn, when you need to make some rules just to follow something, but then the all thing rest to be profitable in the long term. I'm say it's here, it's under this part. And because most of the people don't see this, they are always focusing on the technical part, about the new strategies, about the new indicators, about new things, but still it doesn't work like they want, because the main issue is here. Okay, so thanks guys again for watching this video, and see you soon. Bye.